Hi, this is Eva from Septentrio. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the compact mosaic GNSS module using its development kit and how to connect to its web interface via USB. Before you start, be aware that the components in the dev kit are sensitive to electrostatic discharge or ESD. Use a proper grounding system to make sure that you, your working surface and the components you work with are at the same electric potential. The first step is to insert the SD card in the SD card slot. This memory card can be used to log receiver data for later analysis if needed. Next, connect the antenna to the MMCX connector on the carrier board. Step 2. Powering up the receiver. Connect the integrator board to your computer via the micro USB cable. The mosaic will start up automatically. The final step is to connect to the web interface. Open a web browser using the IP address 192.168.3.1. Now you can configure the receiver and monitor its activity. In this example, we connected to the web interface via USB, but know that you can also do this via Ethernet. If you have trouble with the setup, or if you'd like more information, visit our support page on septentrio.com. Thanks for watching.